this little thing here is what I used to determine how much clearance I had between the pizza pan, basically the bottom, the base of the air cleaner, and where the hood met. Because when the hood was closed, I couldn't see. So this is some what they call shoe goo, I guess, or whatever. It's used by air conditioning and heating people. It's just like a gooey clay, and there's a little tube right here with a bolt in it that when the hood is closed, it pushes it down. I can measure the distance here, and I know what the measurement is supposed to be. Coming back over here to the car, what I did here is, if you can see down in there, there are some measurements. 5 3/4 inches there from the bottom of the pizza pan to the lip of the air inlet. 5 inches on this side, 5 inches on that side, 4.5 inches on that side. Then I made this little thing right here. And what I did is that line that you see there is basically the